Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to add transition in Clipchamp. If you've been searching for a way to apply transition to video clips or images on Microsoft Clipchamp, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To add transition effects in Microsoft Clipchamp, first of all, open Clipchamp on your computer and log into your account. Once you are in Clipchamp, click on Create a new video to start a new project or open an existing one. Here, I have uploaded photos and video clips in the editor. If you haven't already uploaded your media, click on Import Media and select videos or photos from your device. Now, drag and drop your media files into the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Arrange your video clips and images in the timeline. You can crop, cut, and manage images and video clips. Next, click on Transitions, located in the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Once you click, you will see various transition effects. Scroll down and find the transition that you want to add to your video or photo. Now, drag the selected transition and drop it between the two clips where you want the transition to occur. The transition will automatically snap into place between the clips. Repeat the process to add transitions between all other clips in your timeline. You can also select the transition and adjust its duration. Once you are happy with your video and transitions, click on the Export button in the top right corner of the screen.